if you need to send money from the United States to Italy in 2026. The good news is it's faster, cheaper, and easier than ever. But here's the catch. The best method depends on what you actually care about most. Speed. Low fees are the best exchange rate. Because not all services are built the same. So in this guide, you'll learn the smartest way to send money to Italy without overpaying or wasting time. Let's start with the most popular option right now. Online transfer services. Platforms like Wise, Remitly, and Zoom are leading the space in 2026 for a reason. They're fast, easy to use, and in many cases much cheaper than traditional banks. With these services, you can send money directly from your US bank account, debit card, or even a credit card. The money can arrive in Italy in different ways. Directly to a bank account, for cash pickup, or even to a digital wallet. Depending on the service, in many cases, transfers can arrive within minutes or at most a couple of days. And the biggest advantage? Transparency. You usually see the exact fee and exchange rate before you send anything. Now let's talk about banks. Yes, you can still send money through your bank using a wire transfer. It's reliable, but it's rarely the best option. Banks often charge higher fees. And more importantly, they tend to offer worse exchange rates. That means you lose money without even noticing it. Also, international wires can take several business days to arrive. So while banks are safe, they're usually slower and more expensive. Another option is money transfer companies. With physical locations, this includes services where someone in Italy can pick up cash in person. This can be useful if the person receiving the money doesn't have a bank account, but keep in mind, cash pickups often come with higher fees. So it's convenient, but not always the cheapest. Now let's talk about what really matters when choosing a method. First, the exchange rate. This is where most people lose money. A small difference in the rate can cost you a lot, especially on larger transfers. That's why services like Wise are popular. They use rates closer to the real market value. Second, fees. Some services charge a flat fee. Others take a percentage. And some hide costs inside the exchange rate. Always check the total cost, not just the visible fee. Third, speed. If you need the money to arrive fast, some services can deliver within minutes. Others take 1 to 3 business days. So timing matters. And finally, convenience. Ask yourself, do you want everything done online? Does the receiver need cash? Or do they prefer a bank deposit? So what's the best option in 2026? For most people, online transfer services are the best balance between cost, speed, and ease of use. They're simple, transparent, and usually cheaper than banks. But if security and familiarity matter more to you, a bank transfer might still make sense. And if the receiver needs cash, then a cash pickup service is the way to go. The bottom line is simple. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. But if you compare fees, exchange rates, and delivery time before sending, you can save a surprising amount of money. And in 2026, sending money internationally doesn't have to be complicated. You just need to choose smart.